Well, we're getting a new roof on the old homestead today. Boy, is it noisy in the house. There's about 6 guys up there tearing the old roof off. And ready to put the new roof on. And it's the middle of the rainy season, unfortunately, but hopefully they'll get this all done and dried in before the usual afternoon rainstorms roll in. We'll see. But they got a good start right here at the crack of dawn, maybe even before the crack of dawn. So they are making really good progress. Looks like they've got the whole north side already done, torn off anyway. So we'll see how the progress goes today. Yep, all the noise they're making has our cats absolutely terrified. They're both hiding. The birds are a little concerned as well. Amazingly, my stepson managed to sleep through part of it. Kids. So our logic about getting the roof done now, even though it's the height of rainy season and it's a little bit scary, is that it's also hurricane season. And we're going to need to get the roof done sooner or later. It's pretty old, and at some point the insurance company's going to say, hey, you got to get a new roof. So we might as well get a jump on it and get it done now before a big hurricane hits the Gulf Coast somewhere. And then shingles just aren't available, you know? So the supply chain issues we have these days, availability of stuff, you know, post-COVID is pretty difficult as it is. But it's just going to take one good hurricane hitting somewhere along the Gulf Coast or Atlantic coast, and you're just not going to be able to find shingles. So we decided to go ahead and get this done now. And hopefully we won't have any issues with the afternoon thunderstorms causing a bad leak before they get the roof all dried in good. Well, they're making progress. They got the whole old roof off, it looks like. They've got new underlayment down. And it looks like they are, they'll have it all dried in anyway. Let's see, what time is it here? It's just about noon. So yeah, that's pretty good. Have the whole thing demoed before noon and get the new underlayment down. If the weather holds up, they should have a lot of shingles down today, I would think. So yeah, they are cooking right along. I guess we got the right company out here. They're making it happen. All right. These guys, they are flying. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and they've got almost the entire north side done, and about half of the east side done. They are just cooking. They're going to have most of this done today, I think. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. It's a big house, too. Oh, it's a simple roof. Simple roof design, but it's a big house. And they are getting it done. These guys are going to be done with the east side pretty darn quick. Let me go see what they're doing on the other side. It looks like they're about done with the north side. Let me check the south and the west sides. Alright, so it looks like they're about done with the south side. I think they're going to get this roof done today. I'm surprised. It's a big roof. I had my rental house roof done a few years ago. It took several days, and it's a smaller house, but it had a complicated roof line. This, I guess, is much simpler. These guys are just flying right through it. I'll be home early tonight. It's almost 4:30 for them, I think. Oh yeah, west side pretty much done. They are almost done. Amazing. One day roof. Wow. Yep, north side done. Looks like they just got some work on the east side and some buttoning up and cleaning up to do. Wow. done in one day. I mean, it's not even 5 o'clock and it's done. Amazing, 1 day roof. Let me go around and give you another look at, I'm not looking into the sun. Yep, it looks pretty darn good, I have to say. Amazingly quick too. Wow. And the guys did a really good job of cleaning up too. I have walked the driveway. They had tarps down all around the house to catch the debris. And I have walked the driveway. I found one nail that they missed. So that's not too bad. Don't have to worry about getting flat tires when we're parking out here again. Alrighty, so a roof in 1 day. What do you know about that? If you found this video interesting at all, give the video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see future videos, and check out my second channel, Electro Geek 64. Good stuff going on over there too. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.